Packing a litterless lunch is as easy as using a few reusable containers. This is the Crossman family. We've got Oliver in grade 11, Bryn in grade 8, Ajessa in grade 5. Oh, and Jana, also known as Mom, is helping us pack our litterless lunches today.
We're just not a random family. This is purposeful.
Today I'm going to be making a tuna sandwich with fruits and vegetables, some nuts, and a couple cookies.
The key to packing any lunch, but especially a litter-free lunch, is planning. You can see that Jana has some tuna pre-mixed in a reusable container ready to be put into sandwiches.
I'm making a tuna sandwich.
Some tuna on some bread. Some of the containers that the Crossmans like to use include their water bottles, their reusable sandwich containers, and beeswax wraps.
It's a proper sandwich container that we rewash and reuse for several years now. Sustainable.
What else we got?
We got some assorted peppers, bell peppers. Carrots. Gotta add some ranch.
So these containers are made from rice husk, and it has a good seal on them, so any liquids don't mix with the other.
The girls use the same containers, but instead of vegetables, they put some frozen berries, granola, and yogurt.
Okay, is that enough? Yep, okay. Sometimes they send metal spoons and they do come back. But these are bamboo spoons, and you wash them in the dishwasher or by hand. They're pretty durable.
Bamboo utensils like forks, spoons, knives, even toothbrushes may not seem sustainable because they're made of wood, but because bamboo grows so fast and decomposes so easily, it's a fantastic resource for producing various things. Like I said in the beginning, one of the easiest ways to produce a litterless lunch is by pre-planning. This is a container filled with homemade granola bars that the girls are packing into their lunches using beeswax wraps.
Okay. And we have different sizes of wax wraps, so for different sizes of objects.
We're gonna use beeswax for the granola bars. So you want to pick? You probably only want one.
Oh, I already did it, apparently.
Okay, and then just fold it up. And how many are you having, Bryn?
Can I wonder with my hands?
Yeah.
And we have, again, reusable plastic bags. It's best to use your hands.
There are countless substitutions for disposable containers and bags, but did you know about these?
Muffin reusable silicone muffin tin liners.
Do they get baked in them?
Yes, yep, you bake right in them and then
Wash them in the dishwasher.
yep, and then they're all good.
Last but certainly not least, don't forget your water bottles. They come in all shapes and sizes, but despite the name water bottle, they can be used for milk, juices, or even smoothies.
Okay, tell me when. Yeah. Do you want it full? Okay.
And that is how easy it is to pack a litter-free lunch. It really is that easy. A few containers, bags, and bottles, and you and your friends can help save tons of needless trash from ending up in the landfill. There are so many different types of containers and substitutions. Let us know some of your favorites, because less waste going to the landfill is better for the environment.
We've always partially been reusable, and we've always had like sandwich containers that are rewashable, but a couple years ago we started to be more mindful of reusable stuff instead of throwing stuff in the garbage at school, and recently we've been going almost all reusable because every step makes a difference, and trying to do the most that we can.
It's pretty easy. You just take your containers home, put them in the dishwasher so you can use them the next day.
Yeah, and you can buy like reusable cups if you want.
Thanks for watching. This video was made possible by the Department of Environment in partnership with the Western Valley Regional Service Commission. Please reduce, reuse, and recycle for a healthier planet.